guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Spending Time avec Severina. Salut les gars, bienvenue sur ma chaîne, bienvenue pour passer le temps avec Severina. Who guys? Today I have this topic that I've been trying to talk about for a long time. I've been trying to make a video about it for a long time. This topic is Christian shaming or religion shaming or Catholic shaming or just like belief shaming in general, right guys? I am tired, okay? I'm tired of people trying to tell you how to be a Christian, how to be a believer, how to trust in God. Listen, being a Christian for me, like me personally, I feel like being a Christian or being a believer is a personal journey for everyone who is a Christian. Because I'm a Christian, I'm a Catholic. It's a personal journey for everyone. How you pray to God, how you worship Him. Everyone has their own way of doing their things. So, like for people telling you, well, because you didn't go to church on Sunday, you're not a good Christian. Because you were wearing that shirt on the beach, because you're wearing a bikini on the beach, you're not a good Christian. Oh, because you're wearing makeup, you're not a good Christian. Oh, because you have a nose piercing, you're not a good Christian. Oh, because you have a tattoo, you're not a good Christian. Or this or that or that. Listen, if you feel like the things I have on my body does not make me a good Christian, or because I didn't go to church on Sunday, or because I don't walk around with God on my forehead does not make me a good Christian, then please pray for me. Pray for my soul, because as a good Christian, we should pray for each other. The Bible says that shall not judge. So stop judging. Like, I am tired of these people trying to make you feel like you're a bad person or you're a bad Christian or you don't believe enough. Like, you don't know what God has done for me. You don't know like what I've been through in my life. You don't know what made me believe that much in God. So don't come for me. Guys, why am I making this video? It's because back in May, I went to Mali to see my best friend there, and on my way coming back in the bus, there was this lady that throughout the way, this lady was using Twi. If you don't know what Twi is a Ghanaian local language, to talk about other people, because when we were coming from Mali, people were from different nationalities. Some people were Malian, some people were from Niger, some people were from Burkina Faso, some people were from Ghana, some people were from Togo. So some people don't understand Twi, some people don't even understand English. So this woman took advantage of that and was talking about people, sometimes like just making fun of them, sometimes in a bad way. And I didn't like that, because I can hear Twi and I heard everything she said, but I did not react. So she didn't even know that I could hear Twi or I'm a Ghanaian. But at the end of the day, this trip was a 2-day journey. So somewhere along the trip, this woman tried to now talk, because when you're on the road for a long time, you start to like make friends with people, talk to people, and then so then got to a time I started, like, this woman started talking to me, we started becoming cool, and then on the journey this woman decided to preach to me now, and then she decided to pick the things she feel like they don't make me a good Christian, and the things she feels like will not allow me go to heaven, which is like my nose ring, and then my anklet, and then this and then that, like. And I just sat there and I just listened to this woman trying to make me feel bad about myself and my Christianity, right? And I was just like, oh wow, like throughout this journey I heard you like talking about people like doing things that are wrong, like just naturally, and now you want to preach to me because you feel like I'm not a good Christian. Like, and also people who feel like being a Catholic, the Catholic Church is too dull. When you go, all you do is sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up. Like my brother, it's not by force. If you feel like going to the Catholic Church is too boring for you, it's all right. Now go to another church. We are all calling the same God. It's not by force. But don't go out there judging. Like, stop judging. Being a Christian, you cannot, like, judging is not part of faith now. Don't judge. Yes, don't judge. I stop judging people. Like, it's just, for me, I feel like being a Christian is a personal journey. Being a believer is a personal journey. Let people go through their journeys the way they feel like. Stop Christian shaming people. Stop people feel bad about situations, about their job, about what they do, and be like, oh, because of what you do, you won't go to heaven. Listen, no. If you have heard the song Kofi Kinata has made, he's a Ghanaian artist, and the song basically says that the day God will land here, if he does not take care, no one will be in heaven. And it is true. Like, the things people do behind closed doors, people can go to church 24/7, but the things they do behind closed doors, if it should be revealed, like, nobody will make it to heaven. So stop worrying about me. I beg, focus on your own sins now. Focus on your own things. Leave me alone. Let me live my life. Let me enjoy my life the way I want to. At the end of the day, we'll all carry our own sins. And when the time comes, we'll all respond to our own sins. So yes. Donc les gars, je suis ici aujourd'hui pour parler du fait que les chrétiens se critiquent entre eux pour te dire, oh, tu n'es pas une bonne chrétienne parce que tu portes du boucle d'oreille au nez, ou bien tu portes des chaînes aux pieds, ou bien tu fais ça, ou bien tu portes des culottes, ou bien tu portes des maillots de bain, ou tu fais ça, donc tu n'es pas une bonne chrétienne. Pour moi, être chrétienne, ou bien être religieuse, ou bien avoir la foi, c'est quelque chose qui est très personnel, et c'est quelque chose qui se fait, pour moi, c'est intime, quoi. La relation que j'ai avec Dieu, c'est entre lui et moi. Dieu connaît mon cœur. Donc, si tu es chrétien, oui, si tu es chrétienne, pourquoi tu es là à te déranger pour mes problèmes? Like, il faut concentre-toi sur tes problèmes. Concentre-toi sur tes péchés, parce qu'en fin de compte, quand Dieu va descendre ici, like, c'est chacun pour soi. Ça serait chacun pour soi. Et les gens font comme si, parce qu'ils vont à l'église tous les dimanches, ils sont des saints, parce qu'ils savent comment crier Dieu tout le temps, ils sont des saints, parce que partout ils passent, ils font comme si Dieu est écrit sur leur front, ils sont des saints. C'est seul Dieu qui nous connaît. Le jour où il va dévoiler tous vos secrets là. J'ai décidé de parler de ce sujet parce que à mon retour du Mali, quand j'étais partie visiter ma meilleure amie, à mon retour, il y avait une dame dans la voiture qui, depuis le Mali, était là à critiquer les gens dans une autre langue, dans une langue ghanéenne, sachant qu'il y a beaucoup de gens qui ne comprenaient pas la langue. Elle était là à dire des choses qui n'étaient pas bonnes sur des gens qu'elle savent bien qu'ils ne vont pas entendre. Et au cours du parcours, arrivée quelque part, elle a commencé à me parler et du coup, elle a commencé à me prêcher. Quelqu'un qui vient d'insulter presque tout le monde dans la voiture. Ok, elle a commencé à critiquer mon habillement, ma chaîne aux pieds, les choses comme ça, que si elle me voit, elle n'est pas sûre que je vais aller au paradis, les choses comme ça. Je me suis dit, yeah, les gens comme ça là, faut avoir peur parce que quand Dieu va arriver, c'est là qu'on va voir la vérité. Tout ce que je veux dire, c'est que laissez les gens vivre leur vie. Si tu vois que la vie que l'autre personne vit là, c'est pas juste, la personne va pas aller au paradis, il faut prier pour la personne. C'est ce que la Bible a dit. Prie pour la personne. Arrêtez de juger, arrêtez de critiquer. La Bible a bien dit, ne jugez pas. Arrêtez de juger. Priez pour les gens. Si vous êtes vraiment concerné là, priez pour la personne. Faut pas juger. Donc c'est pour ça que j'ai voulu faire cette vidéo. Et certaines personnes aussi se permettent de dire que dès que tu dis que tu es catholique, parce que moi je suis catholique, ils te disent que à l'église catholique c'est très calme, vous vous levez, vous vous asseyez, on ne fait rien d'intéressant. Vous voulez qu'on saute partout de gauche à droite? Vous voulez que quand on arrive à l'église, on commence à crier Jésus descend ici, Jésus descend. Vous n'avez pas de respect. C'est forcé. chacun a sa manière de prier, chacun a sa manière de louer Dieu, chacun a sa manière de glorifier Dieu. Nous tous nous appelons le même Dieu. Si tu vois que l'église catholique, c'est trop calme pour toi, va dans une église qui ne sera pas calme pour toi. En fin de compte, on appelle le même Dieu. Arrêtez de critiquer. Arrêtez de faire les gens se sentir comme s'ils sont des mauvaises personnes, comme s'ils sont des mauvais chrétiens, comme s'ils vont aller en enfer. Regardez, nous tous là, nous ne savons pas où nous sommes. Mais quand Dieu va arriver là, c'est là que nous allons savoir ce qui se passe. Donc, c'est juste ce petit message que j'ai voulu vous donner aujourd'hui. Thank you guys so much for listening to me. I just rant basically and say my mind and how I feel about people just judging on how you dress and how you do this and how you do your hair. Like at the end of the day, it all comes down to who are you as a person and what you have in your heart and how you treat people and how you treat your neighbor and how much love you give, because that's more important. That's what we need. We just need to show each other love and pray for each other and just pray for peace and for the world to just be whole and safe. And that's all that we need to do as Christians, as believers, as spiritual people. So at the end of the day, we are all calling the same God, and there's nothing to stress about and there's nothing to critique. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for sticking around. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.